Becoming rich in 1 year is an ambitious goal and involves a combination of strategic planning, disciplined execution, and sometimes a bit of luck. Here's a detailed plan focusing on practical steps that align with common successful strategies. 1. Set clear financial goals. Define what rich means to you. Is it a specific amount of money? Financial independence? Break down the goal into monthly, weekly, and daily targets. 2. Develop high-income skills. Invest time in learning high-demand skills, such as coding, digital marketing, sales, or finance. Use online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning to acquire these skills. 3. Leverage the gig economy. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to offer your skills and start earning. Focus on building a strong portfolio and client base. 4. Start a side hustle. Identify profitable side hustles that require low startup costs. Options include dropshipping, print on demand, or affiliate marketing. Utilize social media and online marketplaces to market your products or services. 5. Invest wisely. Educate yourself on different investment options like stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. Start small and diversify your investments to manage risk. 6. Network and find mentors. Join professional groups, attend webinars, and participate in industry events. Seek mentors who have successfully achieved the financial goals you're aiming for. 7. Cut unnecessary expenses. Track your expenses meticulously and eliminate non-essential spending. Redirect the savings into investments or business ventures.